What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering. We are in Clay's GR Corolla starting a development project. There's two things that he's really complained about with the car as far as drivability goes, and that's the brake pedal feel and the throttle pedal location in relation to the brake pedal. It makes it hard to heel toe, he says. So we're basically gonna start developing a pedal spacer, which we've done for some other platforms, and a BMC brace for the GR Corolla. We've removed the factory throttle pedal out of the car, 3 10mm nuts. We're gonna basically scan it real quick on our turntable with our blue laser scanner so that we have this and we can put it into CAD. This will allow us to manipulate and design parts around this. We're also gonna scan inside the car so that we actually know the build volume that we have to work with. There's a lot of stuff in that way, steering column, and then the plate that actually bolts to is not exactly just flat. It's got some contour to it, so we'll have to design some pockets around that. All right, so ultimately what we first do when we're actually going to design this is assemble the scans. So you have, for this specific project, we have a pedal and, well, the throttle pedal, and then we also have the car scan. We've aligned those scans in CAD so that we can actually work on designing and developing our throttle pedal spacer. And then I actually threw another pedal scan in there so that you can actually see what happens when we develop that pedal spacer, and basically you can see where the throttle pedal itself moves in relation to where it was from the factory. All right, so right here on the screen now we have the program. Ultimately, we model everything so that everything's kind of set up in the program. We have soft jaws, we have the parts themselves, and then we actually put tool paths to the parts. So what I mean by that is basically we tell the, in this case, this is the DMU50. We tell the DMU50 exactly what to do in which operation, at what speed, at what depth of cut, all of that type of stuff, so that we can basically produce a good and nicely finished product. All right guys, so we're at the machine where we turn this blank of aluminum into this pedal spacer. So ultimately what we do is we load in blanks on the machine, we run op1 and op2, which you'll see here shortly, and then we are left with a finished product, which then goes out to anodizing and then will be laser engraved in-house a little bit later. All right, so on the left side we have a finished op1, and then on the right side we have a finished op2 in soft jaws. These will then come out, the left side will flip into the right side, and blanks will be installed on the left jaw to be cut again. All right, so one of the things that I really like about this pedal spacer is that it's adjustable vertically. It has basically an infinite amount of adjustment, 25mm vertically, and then obviously it moves it closer to that brake pedal as far as towards the driver, which is that thickness right there that you're looking at. So we have our laser fixture. Basically this allows us to put our machined aluminum units that are back from anodizing into a repeatable fixture for our laser engraving, and then we're going to laser engrave our logo here in a second. All right guys, so we got the pedal spacer back from Ano. We then laser engraved it on our laser engraver, which is also done in-house. We are going to now install it on Clay's GR Corolla. You can watch that install manual here. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Until next time.